Hi, Nye. Good evening, Nye.
Yeah, teacher.
Hey, how are you today? Okay, how are
Uh,
you, Nye? Okay, so Teacher Ann will show you this
Teacher,
one.
can we have free talking today?
Huh?
Can we have free talking today?
Okay, you share me. You tell me the topic for the free topic.
No, no,
Okay, what do you want to talk about?
I don't know.
Okay, what is your topic?
I don't know.
Okay, tell me. How are you today? What did you do today?
In
Okay, so what is your topic, Nye? You tell me, okay, you talk, let us have talking today.
no, I don't know.
Today, I feel so tired, Nye.
Mm.
Because we went to the meeting with they call it, Jillian's modeling class, but yes, no one is interested to join. Only few interested to join. So that is why the coach wanted to invite more. So that's why they are looking for young girls and boys to join the team. They will be having the uh, and so that's why it's quite busy today. What did you do, Nit, today?
Mm-mm. I
Huh?
play.
You play? Oh, what time did you go home yesterday? Home. You sleep at no house?
No,
You sleep? I no, you did not sleep at no house. What time did you go home?
8 8 p.m.
8 p.m. you went home. How about I thought you told me that you were gonna have sleepover in Tono's house.
Yes, but my mom don't
Allow you.
yeah,
Ah. So what happened? You went home.
it's okay.
Okay. How about Messi? Have you met Messi?
No,
I thought Messi will go there.
Messi have class with you.
Yeah, but and then Messi told me, the mom, oh, you know what? What time we have class with Messi? It's around 10 p.m. already. Very late. As in very late. That's why Messi is, Messi felt tired. Messi wants to sleep while we're having a class. Because I really thought you were having fun with Messi. You went somewhere with Messi. You did not go? You did not go anywhere?
Mm,
You didn't go anywhere with Messi?
no.
Ah,
Messi was at home.
oh, I really thought because the mom of Messi told me that Messi will going to play with friends. I thought,
Messi was at home, so I can't see, no, I can't saw him.
oh, I really thought me that Messi is in the house of Tono. So no.
Because Messi have class with you, so he can go to because so he can meet me.
Wow, but he has class with me at you know what time? It's already 10 p.m. It's 11 p.m. in my country. Very late. Yeah. He is having class with me at around 10 p.m. It's 11 p.m. in my country. That's why I guess Messi wants to sleep. Okay. So what else? Okay, you tell me. Oh, who is that? That's your mom at the back. Okay, so tell me, what do you want to talk about? Okay, let us have the favorite attire. What is your favorite attire, Ni? You tell me.
What?
What is your favorite attire?
What is attire?
Your dress, clothes.
My favorite attire is like jeans.
The jeans. You love jeans. Okay, you like jeans, long jeans. Baggy jeans or what? What jeans?
Yeah, baggy jeans.
Baggy jeans. Okay. So Jillian also loves the baggy jeans. Oh, she loves to wear the baggy jeans. She loves baggy jeans a lot. Okay, so what else? Oh, you asked me. You asked me anything. I am willing to answer the questions. Not we will be having class.
Hmm,
Okay.
but I don't know.
You don't know the topic? You don't know the topic, eh? Teacher, you know what, teacher, I'm really tired, feel tired today because at 4 p.m. supposed to be we have class in the afternoon, but I told you right that I am busy because I attend the meeting. When we go there, no one attended the meeting. Only Jillian and me and the coach attended the meeting. Very sad.
Hmm,
Yes, very sad. Like so sad me that we don't have.
hmm. Teacher, I'm so tired today
You feel tired? Why?
because I went to my friend's house and we had like a video of like we have well like we dance because we prepare for the finish school for our
When will be your
finish.
summer vacation?
Huh?
When will be your summer vacation?
Um, I think 24.
Oh, you didn't have class on 24 already?
I think that.
It's summer already?
Mm,
Where will you go?
I
You
don't
will go
know.
somewhere or no, inside the house?
I don't know.
You will just in your house? You will not go on vacation?
I
No?
don't know. I don't know.
Oh, oh, so if ever you are free, in the we can have the class anytime. Okay, you tell teacher Anne, okay? But I think your dad prepare already the schedule. Oh, I will ask your dad if there are changes with the schedule. If not, oh, it's okay with me because teacher Anne also, our vacation will end on May 30. May 30. So that will be our vacation on May 30. So that will be our vacation, May 30. So maybe teacher and will be free at any time. Okay, so what else you want to talk or you want to have class? You feel tired?
Yeah.
Or you feel okay, like
Feel
this.
tired
Okay.
and I feel sleep
Or you feel sick. Oh, why you feel sick? Because
because because
it's
at
very hot.
noon I can't sleep.
Okay. So like this. Okay, we'll be having 30 minutes class only today. And tomorrow we're going to have 1 hour class. Is that okay?
Uh-huh.
Tomorrow we're going to have, what time is our class tomorrow? 3 p.m.
I don't know. I will talk with you later.
or 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. You can tell me it's 2 p.m. here or 3 p.m. Okay?
No, yeah.
Huh?
No. Yes.
Just tell Teacher Ann. Okay, so Teacher Ann will not go anywhere. Actually I have a class maybe 3 p.m. because teacher has class at 2 p.m. So maybe 3 p.m. This Teacher Ann has a class at 2 p.m. with my old students. So today I forgot me that I have class with my old students. But we already went to Jillian's meeting, and then when teacher and ngi, we waited there. I feel so tired me because other member of the modeling did not
I
go.
feel tired too, and I think I break my leg.
You break your leg. Why? You practice
Because
dancing?
because I dance
Oh,
and
why you dance a lot?
we dance and so we dance because we prepare for our finish school. So I can very
Oh, you feel tired today because you dance. What is the title of your dance? What is the title of your dance? What is the
what
music? What is the music, the name of your dance?
around Vietnam.
Vietnam? It's fast dance?
No.
Okay, can you play the
Okay,
music?
alright.
Okay, can you play the music?
In Chapel.
Around Vietnam. Oh, that's the name of the music?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. I will check in YouTube. Around Vietnam? What's it around Vietnam music? Oh, is this the title of the music? Me? Huh? I don't know. Okay. I don't know what's around Vietnam is the name of the music.
Mm-hmm.
Around Vietnam? What? I don't know. I found it in the YouTube, but nothing will comes out.
Okay, I will check.
Nothing will comes out when I check in the YouTube. Around Vietnam. There's no around Vietnam here. Tang, tang, ting,
Around
tang,
Vietnam.
ting, tang, ting,
Hard,
ting, ting, ting,
teacher.
ting, ting. Huh?
It's hard.
What is that?
Around Vietnam.
There is a music? I don't know. What is that music? I checked, but no, I didn't see any around Vietnam.
No, I see, and it has many clips.
Yeah, this one. I don't know if this
Mhm.
is this one. Official lyric video. That one. That one. That one.
Mm,
That's the music?
những khúc hát ru của mẹ.
Yes.
Bao nhiêu lời ru con
That's
vẫn
official
chưa
lyric
được
video.
nghe.
It's like that.
It's the official video.
Việt Nam quê hương ta đẹp lắm, mặc lửa khói xây xeo tháng năm. Người Việt Nam da nâu mắt đen, hào thơm bất khuất như cành sen.
Okay,
Việt
that's the
Nam ơi,
official
quê hương
video.
ta ơi, biển lúa chín vàng thơm ngát
But
trời. Vòng tiếng ai họ vì nhớ
the
con
music
đò
here is so slow nghe. Slow.
Dậy với tôi nào, dạo với tôi nào, dạo khắp một vòng Việt Nam. Nhìn non
That's what?
sông trời với đất vỡ. Cùng với tôi nào, dạo với tôi nào,
Này
dạo
à.
khắp một vòng Việt Nam.
Saan kiss ka naman?
I dance like that too.
Like that?
Around Vietnam.
Like that dance?
Around Vietnam, I dance.
Oh, wait. This one. Very hard ni to find. Oh, that's a folk dance of Vietnam. Oh, you have folk dance also. Vietnamese is known to have the salakot. I don't know, this one. We call it salakot in my country. Okay, this one.
It's like that.
Okay, that's the, I don't know what is traditional dance of Vietnam. Okay, that's the traditional dance of Vietnam. But I don't know what you mean with your around Vietnam dance. Is it the intro? Maybe this is the famous for tonight. I mean for today. These songs. This is the official lyric video of Vietnam. I'm not certain about that. Okay. Oh, but you have V-pop? You have also V-pop like K-pop in Vietnam?
I don't know. I don't know.
I can see in here, this is V-pop. You're not familiar that you have V-pop? You have V-pop in Vietnam? Because in Vietnam, you have V-pop, so it means you have Vietnam pop music. Oh, you have Vietnam pop music. Okay, Nhi, if you feel tired, okay, you tell me, we will end the class sooner and then we will just add time tomorrow and on Friday. Okay, don't worry. Okay, we'll just add more time tomorrow on Friday. So you will gonna rest. Okay? You tell teacher Anne. Okay, so if you feel tired today, we can add time on tomorrow and on Friday. Okay, so you can take a rest. Okay, no problem with the teacher. Okay, Ngi? If you really felt tired. You tell me, huh? Oh, wait. Do you really feel tired today?
Yeah.
Okay, this is all about Vietnam.
It's okay, teacher.
You feel tired, okay? So I can see,
No,
okay,
no,
oh,
no.
what is it, okay? Hmm?
Uh, next topic.
Next topic?
I don't know.
Okay, what will be our next topic? Oh, you talk to me. You feel tired now? You're breaking your leg? It seems that you break your leg?
I tired and I feel silly.
Oh, you feel too sick? Oh, you drink water first. Go. You drink water now. You drink
Huh?
water. You drink water so
Why?
you have energy.
Oh, wait me please. I will drink. Okay, teacher. I drink water.
Mm. Okay, you drink water now. Okay, you feel refreshed, but I think you really feel tired. You know me, my arms is really, I don't know how to explain. It's so painful. Okay, I
Teacher,
don't know.
when I dance, uh, my leg uh is like hurt so
Mm,
so much. So I thought my my leg
it's breaking.
is broke. Like broke.
Yeah, because that's normal when you do
And my
practice.
left hand, my left leg.
Okay, why?
I think it's very hard and 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 I saw it and I started and I saw it break.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so also Jillian, when Jillian tried to enroll in the modeling, she felt very tired after every practice. And she said, "Oh my God, I feel so tired, mom." She felt tired. Yeah, she felt tired when we have the practice. Because I don't know, today I really felt very tired. I have a class. I go there. Maybe I felt very tired because we went there in the city, and then we waited, and then we take a walk. We ride tricycle. I don't know. I felt so tired. Maybe this is normal. This is normal, really normal, because teacher got tired today. Haha, because of this. But anyway, okay, we're still having the class. Then you know what? What else? What else will I say? We are looking for models, me. The one who are going to have. Do you know models?
Hmm?
Do you know model? This one.
Yes, I know, I know, I know.
That one. We are
And yes, I know, I know.
Yeah, we are looking for models who are going to have to be in the ramp.
Oh,
Mm. Yeah, for summer classes, Jillian will join the modeling summer classes. That will
mm,
be on May. Yeah, yeah, that will be on May 25, and the summer class will start on June 3.
mm.
Sorry, Niha,
Mhm.
I am quite busy for a while. Okay. So that's why me teacher is quite busy. I need to find, and also our graduation for recognition ni, we will be having it on May. We don't have class after May. Actually, uh, uh, in our school we don't have class anymore. Students are not. We're not going to school anymore, so they are free. They will going to come back on May 30 for the graduations, for the recognition. They will receive awards, they will receive honors. So that's maybe the time that they will be okay. So they don't need to go home. Actually, they really don't need to go to school. So they will gonna have practice for the singing, and then after that, it's okay. Okay?
Uh,
Yes. Okay. So you want to end up the class? Okay.
I don't know.
Huh? Oh,
I don't,
you want to take a rest?
I don't know.
Okay. Oh, see. Okay. Let us continue. Okay. Let us share. Okay. What do you want me to share?
What high school heartbreak?
What? High school?
High school heartbreak.
High school heartbreak? Oh, this one. Oh,
No, no, I just see that. I just,
I don't know. It's. Oh, let me see. Let me see. Let us see. What is that?
no, 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 I don't want to,
You don't like to?
to, I don't like to watch it.
Okay. What do you want to What do you want to talk about? Wait. See. Bawas ka. Kapit. Ay, bawas. Okay. What do you want? Okay. What do you want, Keith?
I don't know, it's depend on you.
Hey, do you watch
Oh,
do you watch what they call it one? Do you watch movie? Like do you watch movie? Like horror?
no.
Like horror movie? Sorry, yeah.
Teacher, I don't have the is the like that drinking out of the boba pouch. I don't have the pocket like that. But I think it's very nice.
Have you tasted this, Buba?
Papa?
This one is Buba. Buba
Yes,
pouch?
but I didn't use the pockets like that.
Oh, Jillian doesn't have it too. But I don't know where to get it. It's just like a Buba pocket, Buba pouch.
Um,
What is his name? What is his name?
I
Oh
don't
my
know.
God. Ah, octopus, the big one. This size of the octopus. Do you eat this one? In my country, we eat that one.
Oh,
Yeah, do you eat octopus?
yes.
You eat like this?
No.
It's octopus.
No.
Oh, you eat? Ah,
Mababawasan ang mga wrinkles.
oh, it's a very big fish. Okay, this one. Oh my God. Do you know, I don't know. Do you know balot ni?
What?
Balot, oh, like this. It's an egg with a chicken inside. This one. That one ni, this
Oh, I
one.
don't know that. I don't know.
Ah,
Yeah, yes.
do you have that this?
Yes, like that.
Duck chicken. Duck egg with the chicken inside. Duck egg ni,
The shape is like that.
yeah. Duck egg with the chicken inside. Do you have like this? Do you eat like this in Vietnam?
No, I saw that, but I didn't eat.
Oh my God.
I
It's
think it's
so, no.
very weird.
Yeah, the same with Bingi. But you know what? A lot of people loves to eat this one. They really love this.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, this one. Okay, this one yeah. Oh my God, look at that yeah. Spicy balot. Oh my God, I don't eat this kind of food ni. It's so weird. Oh my God. How about you? Can you dare to eat that one? Actually, this is called mukbang. He
Like
tried
that.
to
I
eat
know. I
all
know.
of this. You know mukbang?
Yeah, I know.
Eating a lot. Jarang udah man yun. But it's okay to eat egg, but of course, balot is ew. This is the different street food of the Philippines. Okay. It's okay to eat street foods, but of course, it's not really good. My God. I don't know. It's ew, me. Look at that, me. Ew. Look at me. It's so ew.
Mm.
It's so ew, me. Okay? Teacher Ann need to end the lesson. We still have 10 minutes more to go. Okay? So
Okay.
yeah, I need to eat dinner ni because I'll be having my other class and I feel really so tired today. I want to take a bath for a while. Okay, so I will add the 10 minutes ni on tomorrow. Okay, so we're going to have class tomorrow. Oh, you tell me what time you are free. Okay, except 2 p.m. Teacher Ann has class 2 p.m. in your country. That's 3 p.m. in my country. Okay. You take a
Okay.
rest now. Oh, you take a rest now.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.